Congratulations,
Victor. Congratulations,
Danny and Victor.
Daniel and Victor.
We really hope you're having a good time here, and we congratulate you of being
On the
couple.
wedding and having a party and everything.
I hope you have a nice journey with your life.
Yeah, me too.
Woo.
Whoosh! I cried in the ceremony,
I
but
did.
no tears.
I kind of cried, okay? I kind of.
He used to be lighter.
I wish all the best things on earth for both of you. Victor, you take care of this incredible woman you found. And Danny, you take care of my player too.
So ready for the rest of our life, and you
got no choice.
got no choice now.
Victor, you are my biggest inspiration, my best friend, my everything. You have shown me loyalty, passion, forgiveness, patience, lots of it, kindness, and so much more.
I'm still trying to understand how I was able to pull out the most beautiful and awesome wife in the whole world.
Take my hand and see all that we could be. The best of me has always been you. I just wanna hear you say the words I do. We'll write the story you see in the movies. We'll have a strong love the whole world dreams of. We'll never give up, you'll be enough for me. I give you my heart, my love, you see. You're all I'll ever need. You're all I'll ever need.
We love you, Danny and Victor!
Eu tô muito feliz por vocês. Danny, we just want to say we love you guys. We're really happy to be here. It was a beautiful reception, beautiful wedding, and we can't wait to see where you guys are in 20 years.
So much. We have enjoyed watching your love grow since Wingate. Thank you so much for allowing us to celebrate you today.